The Toyota Prius C from 2012 to 2019 uses a key fob powered by a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. When your remote becomes unreliable for unlocking doors, opening the trunk, or activating the panic alarm, it's time for a battery replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which costs around $5, and a small flathead screwdriver or coin for opening the fob. Start by locating the seam on your key fob, usually on the side or back. Carefully pry the fob open using a screwdriver or coin. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation of the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together and test the functionality within 10 feet of your vehicle. Wear gloves to avoid skin contact with the battery and dispose of used batteries properly. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery polarity and that the battery is new and not expired. Counterfeit batteries may cause intermittent signal loss. For a malfunctioning fob due to issues like water damage, reprogramming at a Toyota dealership costs $50 or $100. As of late 2024, the trend is shifting towards sustainable options like rechargeable CR2032 alternatives. Hybrid vehicle owners are also increasingly using smartphone apps as backups to reduce reliance on physical fobs. Keep in mind the longevity of traditional key fobs is predicted to decrease as digital keys become more popular. But for now, a simple battery replacement can keep your Prius C key fob working reliably.